Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. I'm Puberski. Thanks for joining me today. And we're going to work on a video game. Check out what we have so far. After 2 days of hard work, this is where we're at. We have a starting island, nothing too crazy. There is a monster that spawns at the top right. You can see him running around. He's animating pretty cool. We can also destroy him. We have an explosion and a bone that we can collect. At the top, it does accumulate bones. We can also see some shadows underneath the tombstones, and we can effectively open this door with our bones, which changes the graphic. So as you can see, we so far have a starting island, a monster, but there's really no guidance in terms of what to do, or guidance in terms of giving the player an idea of where to go. So we're going to solve those problems today, and I want to make it feel organic in terms of how this is done. I don't want no, text dialogue being like, go to this location and pick up 6 logs and whatever. This should feel organic. Players should feel like they're naturally making the choice and it's naturally happening. Let's begin. I wanted to start the journey off today with something a little more manageable than normal. So I decided to try to tackle some music. I wanted a background song for the cemetery, and these were the 2 songs that I landed on, and I couldn't really decide between them. I ended up choosing this one, but let me know down below which one you would have chose. Now that I had decided on some music, and I was warmed up in terms of my skills, I was ready to tackle something a little more challenging. I decided I wanted a character within the world, some non-player character, some sort of thing that you can get guidance from or give you some sort of objective. I wasn't sure what to make at first, but then I decided to stick with the skeleton theme and make it Ghost. This is my animation and how it turned out. Woo! Now that I had my ghost moving around correctly on the map, I needed it to enter the world from some direction. I wanted to create an entranceway. So I found some wall online and I cropped it. I added it into the bottom of my world. This would not only give an entrance for the ghost, but also show another area for the player to travel to in the future. Let me know what you think of the wall down below in the comments. Now that the wall was in the game, I added the ghost's pathway in the sense that he entered through the gate and then he proceeded towards the church. I also added a little chat message to add some sort of atmosphere or some feel to the game in terms of fear. I wanted the player to feel like there's some sort of, evilness out there, some scariness that they need to deal with. And I thought this was a good solution. As you can see, the ghost also dissipates into the door. So as you can see, the ghost comes through the gateway at the bottom. I now have stylized the chat bubble so there's a little point, as well as it matches the text within this chat bubble. So it's in sync with our game styling. As the ghost disappears, it triggers a spawn for the skeleton. So this is the darkness that is chasing him, or this is what he's running from most likely. It gives the player a sense that these are the dangers out there in the world. It also gives the player direction in terms of that, I want to follow that ghost. I want to see where he went to. This is going to intrigue me, and this is going to make me want to go through this door, which shows, this natural requirement to get through. Alright guys, I just had a shower, feeling pretty refreshed. There's a couple new things I want to tackle pretty soon. One of them I want to tackle is combat. As you can see, we only have like a white ball right now. It's not very exciting. It just goes off every 3 seconds. There's no damage, there's no actual, combat system in the game. So I want to put that in the game pretty soon. I also want to add a new biome. We want to do some sort of desert biome or something down at the bottom. I think that would be pretty awesome to do. So just make sure to stay tuned and follow and give me some pointers and tips on what to do next, because I'm only one person. I want you guys to be involved in this project because a bunch of minds make something great. Thanks so much guys for spending some time with me again. I'm going to be sure to keep working on this project, and I want you guys to be involved. So like I said, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe as always, because it helps these videos search to the tops of the listings. Thanks again for your help and support, and as always, I will see you guys in the next episode. I'm going to go work on my character on A Sprite. You guys have a lovely night. Take care.